packed. We're out here in the backyard right now because Dad has came up with a brand new idea that we want to build another pole barn. You can see the pole barn that's up at the front of the property. He wants to build one back here. This time, he wants us to build the whole thing. Nobody's gonna come set it up for us. He just had to get all the stuff. We're gonna come down here and we're gonna get the thing rolling. Yeah, come on. We ain't been there. We've only been over here. No, we haven't. Hey, show me. Come up it. Show me. Y'all got them dumbass side by side. Y'all been back here fucking all up. Hey, bullshit me. So anyways, guys, before I was brutally interrupted by Dad, this is where the pole barn is going to be. It's going to be another big pole barn. We'll put Tyler's camper underneath it, Mom's RV, a couple of the little small trailers that we have so we can get the stuff away, because that pole barn that's up at the front of the property will be our full-on race shop. It will have nothing but race related, our vac truck, our TV truck related items inside it. But y'all go ahead, subscribe to the channel, keep liking the videos, keep sharing the videos. We can't do this without y'all. Y'all stay with the process of this build, and let's get it cracking. Back out here in the backyard because we are squaring up the building to get started on building the pole barn. We got the forms up. Basically what this does is it just helps us square it up from the back to the front, from side to side. Art has got all 3 forms up. They got to do one last form, and then we're going to go ahead and get the string line ran. What's up, Brian? What's up, buddy? Brian's playing around on the skid steer. I also got the GoPro and everything set up because this video and the rest of the videos that goes along with this project will be a lot of time lapse. So we're gonna have cameras set up. We're gonna let them set on time lapse and get things rolling. We already mowed down all back of the lawn. You can see I live on a big piece of property. Brian's getting stuff cleaned up there. They're getting stuff cleaned up around the house. We are gonna go ahead and get the string line ran on the pole barn because we got us a little piece of equipment that just showed up that's gonna start digging the holes so we can go ahead and get these poles and everything in to get started on this process. So if you haven't done it already, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video. Let's make this the best racing vlogging channel out there and enjoy this video, guys.
Wake up in a cold sweat. I wonder if it's too late to block out all the sunlight. Block out all the sunlight. I'm a little scattered, but nothing really matters, so everything is alright. Tomorrow is a new fight. Everything I'm choosing and every grip I'm losing, it's all about what you want, what you need, and what you're getting. Nothing more confusing to cover up abusing. With every kiss you send, a ruse you bend in your black magic. Oh, 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 black magic. Oh, oh, oh. I met you on a Monday, already by the next day you had me on your pillow, wrapped around your finger. You're a pretty devil, seducing every level of
as you can see, we have got the holes started to be dug behind us. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 poles on this side. There will be 8 poles on that side. And we're gonna go ahead, once we get done with this side, go over there, dig that side, get that set up, bring the semi over here with the trailer. We already got the poles, got the wood, got everything, trusses, everything to put this thing up. We're gonna go ahead and start slamming these poles on the ground because we have concrete set up to come in tomorrow at 9 a.m. Come on, we got things to do. Y'all doing a lot of talking and not a lot of working.
Okay, well, the difference is you have to have a game plan, you gotta execute it. You never have a fucking game plan, that's the problem.
Still get the job done. Come on,
I wasn't here to execute your shit.
This Tyler's pole barn.
Hold on.
Hey, your pole barn fucked up.
Alright, now, hold on now. Oh, you can't. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, if anything you want it to turn, it's gotta oscillate. If you pull it over there, it's gonna go as soon as it goes over. He's fine, he already turned. Hell yeah, digging through all them rocks. All of this dirt right here used to be our shooting pad.
Yeah.
Remember when I had the range set up, we used to shoot into the dirt? There's about 10,000 yards of dirt, maybe 15,000. Move that straight line, guys. And finally, I just knocked it down and figured I was going to build a building back here. Hey, Carl.
Vroom, vroom. Go out there and get stuck. That thing got enough power to take them off?
Yeah, it does. I don't know if it'll take all of them. It'll take all of them. It's been trying. I know. Up a little bit, boss. Up and flat now. Up and flat now. Up and flat now.
Hey, get y'all's ugly ass mug out of the camera view.
Down here. God damn, that means you pick them all up.
Be that tart.
Give me some 4x4 so I can set them down so I can take the ones on top.
Justin, go get some 4x4 done.
What you want, what you need, what you're getting. Nothing more confusing to cover up abusing. With every kiss you said, or rules you read in your black magic. Oh, 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 black magic. Oh, oh, your black magic. Don't you give me 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 your black magic.
Keep going. Right there.
Hey, where's Brian?
I can't tell y'all what I did inside the garage. I'll forever keep that to myself. What happened? You flipped it?
All bad.
You ran into my car. Well, how could it be worse than that?
So,
Let's get this in.
you trying to get me to tell on myself?
Yeah. Let's get this in first.
I don't know how high. Can I clear it?
Right there. All right, go down.
All right. Oh, yeah, we got a lot of room.
So what are you gonna do? Just let them hang and. Hey, now, did anybody think how we supposed to get the rope off up there?
Yeah, we're gonna hold case up and he's gonna get there and pop it off. Alright, I got it. Oh, knock that off.
What were you gonna say, Nada?
Yeah. Right there. Alright, so because this forklift is 20 foot, you know the trusses?
You hit it.
Backing out the rack. I started going back, forgot about that being up there, but grabbed that truss. This motherfucker rode up on. I was two-wheeling it there for a minute. It wasn't much more. I could have fucking towed this bitch right in the rack. That's what I'm saying. Everybody's not to pay attention to this because it lifts so high. Trust me, and because it was so smooth because I was coming at an angle, it just grabbed that truss on that corner. Dude, what happened was I was back and I felt the forklift going up. That's why I stopped.
All right, guys, so as you can see, we got the first pole in the ground. We are not setting them up just yet. We're just gonna go through and get all the poles in because we have a big rain coming in tonight. So tomorrow, everything out here will be soft. The forklift already got stuck once right here. We're only gonna get one chance to go in, one chance to roll back out. We tried to come back in and move it around again and they got stuck. So we're gonna go through and get every pole set. We'll drill the holes over there. We'll get those poles set and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do next. We're just trying to beat the rain because tomorrow we will not be able to use the forklift out here on the ground. It will just sink. We'll have to do it with the tractor, and the tractor does not lift up that high, so it'll be very hard to get these poles all set up and get in the ground and set up.
Bartender, please. I need a shot and I'm begging no.